Sobrang.
Excited.
Kami!
Na.
Marinig.
Ninyo.
Ang aming
Bagong.
Album.
Yun! Let's go, sakto. I think it's the biggest risk that we've taken. Given na this album was fueled by nothing but passion and creativity, basically. I mean, all of our work naman, pero for this one, parang we tried to be as bold as possible doon sa direction na tinahak niya, which is nagsimula sa mga kanta, pero maliban doon, yung konsepto din niya na meron pong kwento na animated. Siyempre, parang hindi siya masyadong pamilyar na ginagawa para sa music, pero gusto namin mag-try na na mag-explore nung kakaibang paraan kung paano ihatid yung mga kanta sa mga makikinig. I think now is the time na na talagang i-try namin na gumawa ng ganitong hakbang kasi I guess mafe-feel mo lang talaga eh. Tapos kumbaga where things are at, where everyone's life phases are, yung timing din ng mga bagay and nothing, kumbaga meron siyang konti, yung thing kasi sa YOLO, may moment na na maiisip mo, nothing to lose naman. Tapos pag sumuong ka na, bigla mo marirealize you actually have everything to lose. Pero 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 talagang andito na tayo eh. So in terms of yung music, yung performance and yung visuals, I'm sure 10 times na mas bago siya sa mga nanonood at nakikinig. Pero at the same time, yun yung thing kasi kapag since it's something na lahat kami parang we have this shared passion and excitement for this project that we're doing. And it's like to be really frank with you. There are moments na you have to battle the doubts. Na parang tama ba to, or like will this work, or will this be worth this big risk that we're taking? And it's hard to battle that because alam mo yun, parang pag napanghinaan ka lang talaga ng loob, nawawala ng confidence, yung mga moments of weakness na yan, parang pero at the same time, yun din mismo moments na yun yung nakaka-enable na ma-realize mo na di ka nag-iisa. Kasi when you find strength in others, like kami, we find strength with each other. And then as a band, we find strength with our listeners, those who come to support, and those who believe in the idea of this album. And then that's the thing that keeps it moving forward. So hello po mga kapatids. Samahan niyo po kami sa December 14, 8 p.m. sa Mall of Asia Arena para sa The Traveler Across Dimensions concert. And this concert will be an audio-visual experience na hopefully it's something that will change your life and may mapupulot ka sana na aral na madadala mo sa buhay mo. This is something that also presents yung bago naming album na The Traveler Across Dimensions. So tutugtugin po namin lahat ng kanta doon sa bagong album. Maliban doon, tutugtugin din namin of course yung mga songs na maaaring alam nyo na at hopefully malapit na rin sa puso ninyo. So yun, sama-sama tayo sa December 14, 8 p.m. Tickets are still available in smtickets.com. Let's have a once in a lifetime kind of experience sa December 14. See you. See you there.